Hello all, hi. Once again back to my channel. Welcome back to another content. In this content I'm going to share with you how can we start a conversation in English. So this topic is too much crucial for every beginner. Don't skip any kind of portion because every portion is much crucial about learning English. So if you want to speak English with fluently and if you want to start conversation with English, this topic is you. So number one is many learner. They understanding English but they can't speak English. This is the problem, this is the fault because they are not able to willing this kind of English sentences. Today I will tips you some kind of tips, and I strongly believe that if you follow this tip, that time you will be able to speak in English like your full time, like 24 hours 7 days. What is English? First you need why English is too much crucial and why conversation is English too much crucial. Like you start with a friendly opener. Like you don't need perfect English, you just need a friendly opening. Like hi, hello, excuse me. This kind of sentence you can use. Hi, hello, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live in? What class do you read in? You can say this kind of English first sentences, and this sentence is too much crucial for every beginner. Then you will go for your next step, like to use a safe fast question. Like use easy common question. Don't start with deep or any kind of personal question. You must have avoid this kind of question. You must have started now. How are you? How is your day going? Is this your first time here? You can say this kind of quietly and friendly question. Don't need to be a deep question, personal question. Like talk about the situation, like very natural English you can use here. Like talk about the place, time, or situation feels natural and easy. It's very crowded today. The weather is nice today, isn't it? This place is really beautiful, amazing, fantastic. You can use this kind of natural English. The weather is really nice today. Yes, it is. And this place is very crowded today. You must, yeah, it is. This is a very simple question. This is a real English asked about the person. Like good question. Where are you from? I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. And what do you do now? I'm creating content, or I'm a content creator. And you can say now step 5 is use follow-up question. Like very important. Like one question is not enough here. Always ask one more question. Like what do you do? I'm a content creator. Oh nice, this is a really very very lucrative passion right now all over the world. And where from? I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. How long have you been lived here? I have been living here last 25 years. That's why this is called my motherland, or this is called my motherland. And who I share a small opinion or feeling is conversation or true way in on interviews. Opinion sentence here is like I like it, I enjoy it, this sound interesting, that's nice. I like this place, it's very calm. Other person, yes, I like it too, that sound very interesting. In the conversation politely, like nice talking to you, it was great meeting you, hope to see you again. Nice talking to you with the person. Nice talking to you too. Full conversation begin like hi, hello, how are you? Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. Where are you from? It just get nice talking to this person. Particular reviews to like hi, how are you? Where are you from? What do you talk to? Confidence. Don't wait for perfect English. Start with simple fluency come from your starting conversation. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking conversation. See you very soon with another content, because every content is too much crucial. So follow for the tips and subscribe into my channel for another English tips. This time for bye.